Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. Let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze amazing pips today. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here from last 2 weeks we have a consolidation. We haven't seen any big move with direction, but within the consolidation we look at the in-depth and price action, and then we basically squeeze nice juicy pips. So let me share with you. If you look at here, the reversal, we had this Friday move and we were expecting a pullback at this level. We were expecting a pullback, and we had taken a pullback long trade which technically came out of the break even. And after that, price developed another pattern in intraday. You can see here price broken and the retest. We have taken the short trade here on breakout as soon as the price hit this level, and we make amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries in intraday and squeeze nice pips. If you look at my analysis, intraday analysis, as you can see here on the Friday movement, this movement, so we were expecting a pullback, pretty straightforward. We had this pullback and explained to my trader if the price gonna break this level, so then we can keep holding it. Otherwise, move your stop loss at the break even, as you can see, explained to my trader. That's what we do with the live audio commentary. So technically we came out of the break even, and afterwards, as mentioned, you can see here price nicely respected this level, develop another symmetric triangle pattern. You can see here pretty straightforward. So we're looking this breakout which price nicely broken. And as you can see, confirmation after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the more confirmation. As you can see here in 4-hour, break and retest. As soon as the price broken the previous low, as you can see here in 4-hour, nicely hit to the support level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit. So we had amazing short trade on EURUSD, pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a pullback long. As you can see here, we had this movement on Friday expecting a pullback, so we have taken this small pullback which technically came out of the break even. You can see here price nicely respected to the resistance level, and once the price developed a double top here, then we have taken this breakout short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. As you can see here, opening market open, I explained to my trader, look for this pullback. We had two beautiful pullbacks, squeeze few pippies, and afterwards, as you can see here, price develop a false breakout in 4-hour, major resistance, double top. It make more sense. If you look at here, price broken. That's what I explained with the live audio commentary. Price broken and retest, give us the confirmation, safer straight breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. As you can see here in intraday, in 4-hour, you can see here the fractal. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had amazing short trade and the long on pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, that's what I explained to my trader. We had this such nice big move. So explain my trader, less price might gonna break this previous low, and if the price develop a false breakout, then probably looking at counter opportunities. So we had this beautiful short trade here, bank few pippies, and afterwards, as you can see here, this candle, bullish engulfing candle. So we have taken this long trade here and profit target nicely hit. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. As you can see here, at the market open, I explained to my trader, we have very strong bearish momentum. So we're expecting a pullbacks and just keep taking a pullback. We have 1, 2, 3 pullbacks, as you can see, as mentioned on the analysis. As soon as the price hit to the support level, major, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. And afterwards, you can see here market reaction, price broken all the previous high, even here in 4-hour. So as explained to my trader, look for pullback can perform at this level, or even if the price gonna break this previous high. That's what I explained with the live audio commentary and at the live analysis. You can see here price broken after the breakout, price also retest as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit. So you can see here we had amazing trade on EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Today, Monday, I wasn't expecting this sort of volatility, but we have managed beautiful pips. The best trade we had it all the yen pair, no doubt. Let me share with you the yen pair. We had a short trade here. We also had a long trade here. Let me explain to you. If you look at the 4 hour, we had such a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. We had this breakout this morning. You can see here bullish engulfing candle. Price nicely broken. We squeeze all these pips until this one. Support bank, beautiful pips, and now we are holding long some of the traders. Let me share with you in intraday. That was the beautiful trades, all the yen pair. If you look at in the morning, we had this Asian session. That's the breakout. You can see here in intraday, this was the breakout, long trade here, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards in the London morning session, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. We have another small pullback, as you can see here, which we technically came out of the break even because price respected this level. We were expecting a long, you can see here, price nicely respected, which we came out of the break even. And afterwards, price developed another symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, price respected, developed this pattern in 4 hour. You can see here, that's the level which we explained to my trader through live analysis, breakout. And then I said to guys, now we have a major structure broken. We have confirmation of head and shoulder pattern. Just keep taking a pullbacks until price can hit the support level. We have taken all these pullbacks. So look at here. Once the price developed a false breakout, as you can see here, I did another analysis, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price broken. After the breakout, price retest. When the price at this level, explain to my trader, look at here, inverted head and shoulder pattern, breakout and retest. So you can see guys how I analyze market in 4 hour, price action, refining entries and exit in intraday, and squeezing amazing pips every day. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time, and you should be banking profit in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. If you are interested, how I train my traders in real time with the live market, and I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, you can see here how I analyze market. This is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.